Alright, okay, so this is cabbage. This is a goat. This is the wolf. And this is the farmer in the boat. So our problem is the goat and cabbage are together. The goat's gonna eat the cabbage. And if the wolf and goat are together, the goat will be eaten by the wolf. So that is our problem. So now we are going to take them across. So we are going to start with the goat. So the goat is going to go across. Drop off the goat. Go back, grab the wolf. Wolf goes across. Drop him off. Grab the goat. Go across. Grab the cabbage. Go back across. Drop the cabbage off. Go across. Grab the goat. Then head back across. And now we are finished with our project. Thank you. Join us again.